We have had an opportunity to check on many bills, which we are glad that majority of the members of parliament are really doing their best in terms of processing the legislative proposals. And we have been able to process all of them actually in record time, because we were to finish much later, but we are already now done with all of them. We have processed close to 15 of them, and we are glad majority of them will be proceeding to the next step. We need to do a lot more, and even the feedback we get from Kenyans is very welcome, because as leaders we cannot be at inertia. So every time we are challenged to do better, that is a step in the right direction, because we need tujikaze wote kama viongozi, tutengeneze sheria ambazo zinasaidia uchumi wetu, tukiweka bajeti yetu tuweke kwa yale maneno ama mambo iko na Wakenya wengi.
So we are happy with what we have done from yesterday up to today, and we will be giving our recommendations as a committee. So I think for me that's what I can say, and I just want to appreciate those members who have forwarded legislative proposals before this committee, and the committee is doing a good job. Thank you.